The role of diet in boosting brain power. Have you ever wondered why some days your brain feels like it's firing on all cylinders, and other days it's sluggish? Well, the secret might just lie in what you're putting on your plate. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of nutrition and its profound impact on brain power. Whether you're looking to boost your memory, sharpen your focus, or simply keep your mind in peak condition, the food you eat plays a crucial role. So, grab a healthy snack and let's get started. 1. The brain diet connection. Our brains are incredibly complex organs, consuming about 20% of our daily energy. This means the food we eat has a direct impact on our cognitive functions, like memory, focus, and mood. Just as poor fuel can make a car run inefficiently, a poor diet can cause your brain to underperform. But when we fuel our brain with the right nutrients, it can operate at its best. 2. The power of omega-3 fatty acids. First up, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that our body can't produce on its own, so we need to get them from our diet. Omega-3s, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are a major building block of the brain. They are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of your brain cells or neurons. A diet rich in omega-3s has been linked to improved cognitive function, slower age-related cognitive decline, and even a reduced risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. You can find these in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 3. Antioxidants and brain health. Next, let's discuss antioxidants. Our brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, a condition where harmful molecules called free radicals cause damage to cells. Over time, this oxidative stress can lead to neurodegenerative diseases. Antioxidants, which are found in abundance in fruits, vegetables, and certain teas, help combat oxidative stress. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are particularly rich in antioxidants known as flavonoids. These flavonoids have been shown to improve memory and delay brain aging. Dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, is another delicious source of antioxidants that can enhance brain function. 4. The role of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are equally vital for brain health. Vitamin B6, B12, and folic acid play a role in reducing levels of homocysteine in the blood, a compound that is linked to cognitive decline and dementia. Folate, vitamin B9, is essential for brain development and function, and a deficiency can lead to neurological disorders. You can find these B vitamins in leafy greens, eggs, and legumes. Iron is another critical mineral for brain health. It helps in the production of neurotransmitters and the delivery of oxygen to the brain. Low iron levels, especially in children and women, can impair cognitive function and learning ability. Red meat, spinach, and lentils are good sources of iron. 5. The impact of sugars and processed foods. While certain foods can enhance brain power, others can hinder it. Diets high in refined sugars and processed foods can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can impair brain function. High sugar intake can also interfere with memory and learning. In the long term, a diet heavy in processed foods can increase the risk of developing conditions like dementia. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady source of glucose, the brain's primary energy source, without the harmful spikes associated with refined sugars. 6. Hydration and brain function. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. The brain is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can affect cognitive functions, such as concentration and alertness. Water is essential for delivering nutrients to the brain and removing toxins. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining brain function at its peak. 7. The gut-brain axis. Finally, let's talk about the gut-brain axis, a fascinating area of research that explores the connection between our gut health and brain function. The gut is often referred to as the second brain because it produces many of the same neurotransmitters as the brain, like serotonin, which affects mood and sleep. A diet that supports a healthy gut. Microbiome, rich in fiber, fermented foods, and prebiotics, can lead to better mental health outcomes, including reduced anxiety and depression. And there you have it, the crucial role that diet plays in brain power. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can support our brain's health and improve our cognitive abilities. Remember, a healthy brain starts with a healthy plate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button